Types of Variables in Experiments by Ansley Park. When scientists perform experiments, they use variables. But what are variables? A variable is a factor that can influence the outcome of an experiment. Let's learn more about different types of variables. Let's say Ansley wanted to do an experiment. She heard that if we keep an apple and a peach in a Ziploc bag together, the peach will ripe faster according to the ethylene, a plant hormone that will quicken ripening inside the apple. When she runs her experiment, she needs to keep in mind of the different types of variables she'll need to use for her experiment. First, she needs her tested variable. But what is a tested variable? A tested variable is a variable that is tested on, that is manipulated. In this experiment, the tested variable will be the peach because that is what we're doing an experiment on. In the experiment, she'll need to have a peach with the apple and one without the apple so she can compare her results with the other. But what are some other variables that we have to watch out for? Another type of variable is a control variable. A control variable is a variable that is kept intentionally same. In Ansley's experiment, the control variables will be the same type of apple in the peach, the same type of Ziploc bag, the same temperature, and the same amount of light it gets daily. These variables are kept same because if they were different from each other, the results may be affected and can lead to sources of error. If Ansley kept the bag with the apple in the fridge and the one without the apple out in the sun, she won't be able to know if the outcome was caused by the difference in temperature or the apple. Finally, we have the responding variable. A responding variable is a variable that changed because of altering manipulating variables. For example, in Ansley's experiment, the responding variable will be how ripe the peach is at the end of the experiment, compared to the regular peach that was left without the apple. If Ansley took her experiments and compared the results will be the responding variable. Now, Ansley can see if the hypothesis that she heard is true or not based on a responding variable. Hooray!